Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add products in Pipedrive. All right. First up, log into your Pipedrive account. Go ahead over to the left panel. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to click on products. All right. Just click on it. And as you can see here, I don't have any products. If you want to, you can import your data by just clicking on import data right here and click on upload spreadsheet, or it could be a CSV file. Now, I don't have one, so I'm just going to go back right here and just click on product. All right, or add product. Now in here, you're going to want to name your product. For example, desktop. Okay, the product code would be PC0001. The category would be computers. All right, or computer. Now unit, I'm going to click on the information icon. It is a measurement or standard amount of a physical quantity, such as length, mass, energy, time, money, and etc. I'm just going to put in one right here, just for example. And the billing frequency, click on the drop down. As you can see here, we have a ton of options. This could be one time, weekly, monthly, quarterly, every 6 months, or annually. All right, just gonna hit on one time. Unit prices right here. It could be maybe 50,000 pesos, Philippine peso. If you want to, you can go ahead and change the currency right here. For example, US dollars. All right, just go ahead and scroll down. As you can see, we have US dollar right here, 10,000 US dollars. You can also add in some more currency right here. Just put in, for example, 50,000 Philippine peso. Just going to look for P right here. And for the tax, it could be 10%. Just don't put the percentage. All right. Visible to item owners of visibility group, or you can go ahead and click on the drop down and make it visible for all users. And once you're done with that, just click on save. Wait for it to load. Now, if it doesn't show, just go ahead and refresh the page itself. All right, and there we have it. That's basically how you add products in Pipedrive. And if you want to add those columns that are required when we set up this product, just got to click on the cogwheel right here, or the gear icon. And as you might remember, the billing frequency, we have added that one in here. The category, the tax, the price, unit prices, and visible or visibility. I'm just going to click on all just to show you, and just hit on save. And there we have it. All right. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.